Part 1. Separate 5 eggs, egg white and egg yolk. Get a small bowl with 30 grams of sugar and combine it with the egg yolk. Then mix it a lot until it becomes really pale, just like this. Now add 60 milliliters of oil, 95 milliliters of milk, and mix it again just until it's like this. Now get 120 grams of cake flour, 1¼ teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and put it in a small bowl. Now get a sift and sift the flour mixture into the egg mixture. Mix it until it's just like this. Part 2. Now get your egg white mixture, which will consist of 5 egg whites, 60 grams of sugar, and 1/3 teaspoon of cream of tartar. But remember, only the egg white right now, not everything else. Set the speed to 3 and add the cream of tartar. Split the sugar in thirds and slowly pour them in, making sure it doesn't overmix. When it's done, it will have some thick peaks and it won't even fall down when the bowl is upside down. Now, preheat the oven at 150 degrees Celsius. These are the two mixtures that you should have. Grab a spatula and slice the egg white mixture into thirds. Put a third into the egg yolk mixture and mix it vigorously. Now put another third in, but this time you have to fold it, just like this. Now put the last third in and fold it again. Now get your chiffon pan and pour the mixture into the pan. Remember to pop the air bubbles. Put the chiffon mixture into the oven and wait 12 minutes. Now take it out and cut 4 tiny slits. Now put it back in the oven and wait 35 minutes for it to rise. After 35 minutes, take it out of the oven. Now just slap it down and use something to hold it upside down. Now turn the cake upside down and put it on a flat surface. Part 3. Get some cream and put it in a bowl. Then add as much icing sugar as you want. Now get a hand mixer. It should now probably be like this. Slap and smooth some cream on and then refrigerate it. After a while, slap some more cream on it and then smoothen it out. Now decorate it bit by bit. And then it should look like this.